On a hot day for breakfast, I always feel like something refreshing and light. So I'm going to show you how to make delicious red berry brekkie bowls. Into a food processor, add some almond milk or any nut milk of your choice, some coconut yogurt, a few tablespoons, and peanut butter. Now the peanut butter is going to make this really silky and give it a slight sweetness. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon. For some extra sweetness, some maple syrup. Honey works a treat too. And for the berries, I have frozen my berries overnight because this is going to make it into a really nice, smooth, chilled mixture. And before I froze my strawberries, I did take the tops off them. So it's as easy as popping them straight into our food processor while they're still frozen. Don't forget some frozen raspberries. And for the raspberries, I'm just going to reserve a few of the frozen ones for the garnish later on. All right, one banana. I'm going to use half of the banana for the mixture and the rest is the garnish. Just break that up. Lid on and give this a good blitz until it's like a thick smoothie. All right, this is looking smooth and silky. It almost looks like one of those naughty strawberry thick shakes, but it's not. It's super healthy. I'm gonna take that blade out and in a nice big bowl, we're going to pour half of this mixture in. This is enough for 2 people. Spread it out so it's nice and smooth. And this is where you can have fun with all the toppings. I'm adding a combination of muesli and just sprinkle it over. The rest of that banana we'll just slice on an angle, just into rounds. Scatter that next to the muesli. Some coconut, some shredded coconut, and then some frozen raspberries. We'll just place them on top too. Look at that. You'd pay a lot of money for that in cafes. It's all the trend. I can see why though, because this is so tasty, so healthy. That'll keep you full until lunch at least.